I was about ready to throw in the towel. I think my frustration level was at least an 11 out of 10. And here was the problem. I'm running a Plex server. In fact, I'm running an entire Unraid NAS, and I've been tweaking it and optimizing it for the past couple months. One of the things I had a big problem with is Plex streaming. And it didn't make any sense to me. I have an RTX 2060, I have an 11th gen Intel processor, I have relatively fast drives, I have plenty of cache, I have plenty of RAM. Everything in my Unraid setup pointed to the fact that I should have plenty of compute power and everything else to stream 4K content without any problems. I even optimized my network and I was getting 400 or 500 megabytes a second, megabits I should say, over my network, so that shouldn't have been a problem either. But still, on every one of my devices, every few seconds when I was streaming any 4K content, I would have consistent buffering. It would pause for a second, it'd pause for 5 seconds, and then it would eventually stop playing the program. It was super frustrating. So I'm going to show you how I came to resolve this issue. Let's jump right into it. To illustrate the problem, I've got this really simple test. I've got on the left-hand side, I've got the native client for Plex. This is a Windows 11 machine, and so this is the Windows 11 native Plex client. Over here on the right-hand side, however, I have the default web browser. So I'm using, actually not the default web browser, but I'm using Google Chrome. So we're gonna start playing back a 4K video on Google Chrome, and we're gonna do one on the Plex native client. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's go ahead and load it up. And I don't have to do it at exactly the same time because as you can see, it's going to take a while to buffer. So that's buffering. Over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to start the native client. And almost immediately, the native client is going to start to play. Now, why is that? Well, there are a couple things. First, the native client isn't transcoding. It's just direct playing. That's great. That's what you want, especially when you have 4K video. The one on the right, though, should be doing the same thing. It has the same quality settings. It has convert sent to maximum. So this should be streaming, but it doesn't. The Chrome client doesn't work that way. It doesn't quite play as nicely and as smoothly as the native client. So whatever device you have, if you want to solve this problem, number one is get the native client. Whether you're running Mac, Android, iPhone, doesn't matter. Get the native client. It's going to save you a lot of heartache. You can see it started to play over here and now it's already paused for buffering again. Now, we'll set this to a different resolution. So we'll drop it down to 1080p. And then we'll also drop this one down to 1080p. And you can see that one's still getting ready to buffer. And you can see just how much better the native client is than using Google Chrome. Look, it's already playing on the native client. Over here, nothing. Still buffering, still waiting. The other issue I had was with my TV downstairs. So I've got a TCL 55-inch TV, nothing super fancy. It's not the greatest TV in the world. It has Roku built in, so Roku offers a native Plex app. So I was running that. Same problem though, I was running into all these buffering issues. And I think it's because the TCL TV just has a dual core processor, and I don't think it has enough horsepower to actually stream 4K content in the native app. I think there's just too much overhead. I don't know what the issue is exactly, but my solution was to pick up an NVIDIA Shield Pro. Now the Shield Pro has a couple of really cool features. First of all, it's 802.11ac, so you can run it wirelessly. You're gonna have a great connection. Also has gigabit LAN, so most TVs, I don't know if you know this, but they have 10/100 LAN, and so if you're running a really high bitrate 4K video, it might not stream easily on that. The other cool thing it has is it can actually do 1080p to actually any resolution under 4K. It'll do upscaling up to 4K, and it does a really good job. It uses, well, they call it AI, but it's really just a bunch of different, upscaling techniques that are pretty widely used and known. But you can even see it side by side. It looks fantastic. It does a phenomenal job. And the best part, I no longer have any streaming, stuttering, or buffering issues even with the Plex client on my TCL TV. So, moral of the story, you got a PC, you got a phone, you got a Mac, whatever it is, even your TV, get the native app, Worst case scenario, if your TV is still having issues, find an NVIDIA Shield Pro. It's gonna make a big difference in your life. And then now I'm no longer upset with Unraid. I thought for sure it was some sort of optimization or tweak that I had missed in Unraid. It was not. That's all the problem was. Hope that helps you out. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. We'll see you next time. Thanks.